Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make healthy traditional pap from natural grains like corn, millet and Guinea corn. This pap is smooth, nutritious and filling, made without white sugar or artificial sweeteners. I will also be sharing a healthy natural sweetener you can use instead to enjoy your pap in healthier way. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. First, we're going to be washing our Guinea corn, the millet and the corn very well to remove all dirt and stones from them. Then after washing all of them, we're going to be adding water to start soaking. We're going to be soaking this grain for like 2 to 3 days, but I advise you soak yours 3 days. It's always perfect. But within those 3 days, there's something we'll be doing. Every day we're going to rewash these grains, remove the water and then add new water to our corn. Check the description for accurate measurements. We are going to be using dates for our pap. Dates are not only sweet, delicious, they are also very nutritious. So we're going to be removing the seeds from our dates, then wash very well, soak with our drinking water, and we're going to be soaking a day to the day we want to grind our pap so it doesn't over soak. Soak with a little water and let it be a very clean water you take. Being healthy is the goal. So the day you're going to blend your pap, you wash your corn very well and then get ready to blend. You also, in your soaked dirt, you add in your fresh carrots and ginger separately. Make sure to blend your corns to a paste. You can blend if you have a strong mixer or you take to the mills like I did, but I made sure they washed the engine very well and I was the one that provided the water they used. When you come home, use the first sieve to sieve your pap very well. There's a sieve for pap. You're going to be sieving like seen so. Add water, sieve till you're sure that the chaff is without any other pap in it. Then remove your chaff. Then when you've done everything, you now remove the sieve from this pap. You're going to allow the water settle in. You're going to allow the pap to settle in. Okay, it takes like sometimes say like 20 minutes for you to do this, so that you will reduce the quantity of water before you start sieving finally in your akamu sieve or cheese bag. Okay, akamu bag or cheese bag. If you go to the market, they will give you this, and then you will now sieve and then gently allow the water to drain out. You just be patient with it till you now get the texture you want for your pap. When you put in the cheese bag, you put a container inside the bath, then put the pap on top of the container. This will help you drain out the water you don't want from the pap. It will drain till the consistency you want. And when it has drained to the consistency you want, you now put in a bath. Then I'm going to be telling you the trick I use. Instead of using the artificial sugar, it's not really healthy for the skin and the body. I'm going to be adding my blended dates with carrots and gingers. You can add any fruit you want, like bananas, apples, any fruit you want, you can add it at this moment, and then you mix everything together. I didn't want to blend with the corns. If I sieve it, the water will be, the nutrients will be removed. So I mixed everything. See the consistency of this pap. Are you seeing it? Then everything is now good. You don't need to add extra sugar when you're making your pap. This is very sweet. Do well to check the measurement on the description for accurate measurements. Okay, then you tie in a polythene bag. You tie in a polythene bag because you want to serve in your freezer. This pap will do like 2 months or more for me when I'm taking my akara, my okpa, my moi moi, anything, or even I want to take this alone in the morning. It's a nutritious and a filling breakfast. I don't need to add any extra sweetening. I don't need to add any artificial sugar and all that, and it's very, 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 very healthy for us. And this is it. You have for yourself very healthy food for any age in the family. It's for the kids, both the kids and adults. Please do check the description. I'll put the measurement of this pap. You could do yours once and get it perfectly. Because of the health issues in the world now, the cancer stuff, I like doing things by myself to make sure there's no extra preservatives added to my stuff, and I'm trying to live healthy so that I'll minimize health issues that might be coming for me or my family. Please, if you found this video very helpful and you like everything about African recipes, consider yourself subscribing to my channel for other amazing recipes. How to make some snacks, Nigerian snacks, that you could do by yourself to make sure no extra stuff was added into it. And that is that about this nutritious, delicious pap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you on my other video. Bye.